Welcome back to our first video. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies and decentralized finance. Over the past decade, these groundbreaking innovations have taken the financial world by storm, and we're here to explore the rise of this digital revolution. So, let's get started. Number 1. Understanding the foundations. To understand the rise of cryptocurrencies and decentralized finance, we must go back to the roots. In 2009, an enigmatic figure known as Satoshi Nakamoto introduced Bitcoin, the world's first decentralized cryptocurrency, to the public. Bitcoin's underlying technology, blockchain, created a peer-to-peer system that eliminated the need for intermediaries, like banks, for financial transactions. Number 2. The explosive growth of cryptocurrencies. The explosive growth of cryptocurrencies has been nothing short of remarkable. Since the inception of Bitcoin in 2009, the cryptocurrency market has experienced unprecedented expansion and innovation. Thousands of cryptocurrencies have emerged, each with its unique features and use cases, catering to diverse needs and preferences. With increasing recognition from institutional investors, businesses, and the general public, the total market capitalization of cryptocurrencies has surged into the trillions. This growth has been fueled by the promise of a decentralized financial future, faster and cheaper transactions, and the potential to disrupt traditional financial systems. As cryptocurrencies continue to gain mainstream acceptance and integration into various industries, their impact on the global economy becomes increasingly evident, paving the way for a new era of finance. The rapid expansion of cryptocurrencies has not only captured the attention of investors, but has also sparked a revolution in the way we perceive money and conduct financial transactions. From the early days of being perceived as a niche experiment to now being acknowledged as a legitimate asset class, cryptocurrencies have come a long way. The dynamic nature of the market, with constantly evolving technologies and new projects being launched, has contributed to this explosive growth. Moreover, the rise of decentralized finance platforms has further fueled the momentum, enabling users to access a wide range of financial services without intermediaries. Number 3. Benefits of cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies offer a myriad of benefits that have captured the interest of individuals and institutions alike. One of the most significant advantages is financial inclusivity. In a world where millions remain unbanked or lack access to traditional financial services, cryptocurrencies provide a gateway to the global economy. With just a smartphone and an internet connection, anyone can participate in the crypto ecosystem, enabling easy and secure cross-border transactions, remittances, and access to a wide range of financial services. This newfound financial empowerment empowers individuals with greater control over their assets and financial decisions. Another key benefit of cryptocurrencies lies in the efficiency and transparency of transactions. Traditional financial systems often involve intermediaries, leading to delays, higher fees, and privacy concerns. Cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, operate on decentralized networks powered by blockchain technology. This eliminates the need for intermediaries and ensures that transactions are executed swiftly, 24/7, and with reduced transaction costs. Additionally, blockchain's immutable nature enhances transparency, as transaction records are publicly available, providing a verifiable and incorruptible ledger. Such transparency instills trust in the system and mitigates the risk of fraud and manipulation. Overall, the benefits of cryptocurrencies extend far beyond financial empowerment, transforming the way we perceive and interact with money and financial systems. Number 4. The concept of decentralized finance. The concept of decentralized finance, DeFi, represents a groundbreaking shift in the traditional financial paradigm. At its core, DeFi seeks to create a financial ecosystem that operates without the need for intermediaries like banks or financial institutions. Instead, DeFi leverages blockchain technology, particularly smart contracts, to enable peer-to-peer transactions and execute various financial services autonomously. This decentralized approach empowers users with unprecedented control over their funds and financial decisions, eliminating the dependence on centralized entities and enhancing financial inclusivity for individuals worldwide. DeFi applications encompass a wide array of services, including lending and borrowing, decentralized exchanges, stablecoins, yield farming, and more. The flexibility and openness of DeFi protocols invite innovation and experimentation, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the realm of finance. Number 5. Advantages of decentralized finance. Decentralized finance offers numerous advantages. Firstly, it promotes financial inclusion by providing services to the unbanked and underbanked populations. Additionally, DeFi protocols are transparent and accessible 24/7 without any geographical restrictions. Moreover, users retain ownership of their funds, reducing the risk of fraud or mismanagement. Number 6. Challenges and risks. However, the rise of cryptocurrencies and DeFi also comes with challenges. Regulatory frameworks are still evolving, and there are concerns about illicit activities and scams. It's crucial for users to stay informed, conduct thorough research, and be vigilant while navigating this space. Number 7. The future of finance. The future of finance is a captivating journey into a world of technological advancements and disruptive innovations. Central to this evolution is the integration of cryptocurrencies, decentralized finance, DeFi, and emerging technologies like blockchain and artificial intelligence. Traditional financial systems are being reshaped by these revolutionary elements, offering a glimpse of a more inclusive, efficient, and secure financial landscape. With the rise of digital currencies, individuals have greater control over their assets and can participate in a global financial ecosystem without the limitations of traditional banking. Moreover, financial technologies like blockchain are revolutionizing how we record, store, and verify transactions, enhancing transparency and security while reducing costs. Artificial intelligence is being utilized to improve risk assessment, customer service, and personalized financial advice. Additionally, innovations like decentralized identity management and tokenization of real-world assets are further shaping the future of finance. As these technologies continue to mature and find broader adoption, the financial landscape will become more accessible and interconnected, offering boundless opportunities for global economic growth and financial inclusion. The future of finance holds the promise of a borderless, efficient, and decentralized ecosystem, driven by innovation and fueled by the collective desire to revolutionize how we manage, invest, and interact with money. And there you have it. The rise of cryptocurrencies and decentralized finance has already transformed our understanding of money and financial systems. With increasing adoption and technological advancements, the possibilities are truly limitless. So, whether you're an investor or simply curious, keep exploring this digital revolution and be part of shaping the future of finance. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.